You are going to love the 2018 Golf. It's the original fun-to-drive hatchback. Drive one today. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, sunroof, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.